speed lovers, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered if a roaring BMW or a tech-packed Audi deserves your garage in 2025? Buckle up! Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate German rivalry. Spoiler, both will blow your mind, but in very different ways. Let's rev those engines. Section 1. Design Showdown. First, aesthetics. BMW's 2025 lineup screams aggressive luxury. Check those razor-sharp kidney grills and laser headlights. The i5 and i7 sedans, pure electric elegance. Audi counters with its signature single-frame grille and OLED taillights like the e-tron GT's sci-fi vibe. Inside, BMW's crystal cabin dazzles with augmented reality dashboards, while Audi's Sphere concept wraps you in sustainable leather and ambient LEDs. Winner? BMW for drama, Audi for minimalist chic. Section 2. Performance and speed. Let's talk power. BMW's M division still dominates raw thrills. The 2025 M5 Hybrid hit 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds with 718 horsepower. Their electric iX M60, a silent rocket with 610 horsepower. Audi's RS models fight back with Quattro all-wheel drive magic. The RS e-tron GT performance rockets to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. But here's the shocker. Audi's new torque rear system lets you drift like a pro. Track verdict? BMW edges pure speed. Audi masters control. Now, Section 3. Tech and Innovation. Tech Wars. BMW's iDrive 9 now projects holograms onto your windshield. Autonomous driving? Level 3 in city traffic. Audi strikes back with Swarm Intelligence, cars sharing real-time road data. Their augmented reality HUD turns windshields into Pokemon Go for traffic. Coolest feature? BMW's self-parking via smartwatch versus Audi's biometric seats that adjust to your heartbeat. Section 4. Real-world costs. Now, your wallet's nightmare. Pricing. BMW 330i starts at $45,000. Audi A4, $44,900. Electric range. BMW i4 eDrive, 318 miles. Audi Q6 e-tron, 300 miles. Maintenance. BMW costs 12% more over 5 years. Thank those M badges. Fuel or electricity. Audi's mild hybrids sip 28 mpg city. BMW's EVs charge 10% faster. Shocker! Audi's 4-year free charging at Electrify America stations. Section 5. Sales and popularity. Who's winning globally? BMW sold 2.2 million units in 2024, crushing Audi's 1.8 million. But Audi dominates China with their long wheelbase A6L. In the US, BMW's X7 SUV outsells Audi Q7 by 3 to 1. Trend alert! Audi's e-tron sales surged 40% last year, the EV dark horse. So, who takes 2025? Crave spine-tingling speed? BMW's your beast. Prefer futuristic tech with grip for days? Audi's your ally. Both start around $45,000, but remember, BMW costs more to maintain. Audi gives free charging. Now I turn it to you. If you had to pick one for a cross-country road trip right now, BMW or Audi? Drop your answer below and tell us why. First-time viewer? Smash subscribe. We've got a Porsche versus Mercedes battle dropping next week. Thanks for riding shotgun. Remember, life's too short for slow cars. Hit like if you learned something and comment your dream 2025 ride. Until next time, keep chasing horizons.